It's a pretty cool idea to do 12 startups in 12 months. What's it take to build a thing in 30 days? Like at that time, how hard was that?
I think the hard part is like figuring out what you shouldn't add, right? What you shouldn't build because you don't have time. So you need to build a landing page. You need to make the, you need to build the product actually because it needs to be something they pay for. Do you need to build a login system? Like maybe no, like maybe you can build some scrappy login system. Like for PhotoEye, you sign up, you pay with Stripe checkout, and you get a login link. And when I started, there was only a login link with a hash, and that's just a static link. So it's very easy to log in.
Yeah.
It's not so safe, what if you leak the link? And now I have real Google login, but that took like a year. So keeping it very scrappy is very important because you don't have time, you need to focus on what you can build fast. So money, Stripe, build the product, build a landing page. You need to think about how are people going to find this. So are you going to put it on Reddit or something? How are you going to put it on Reddit without being looked at as a spammer, right? Like if you say, hey, this is my new startup, you should use it. No, it gets deleted, maybe if you find a problem that a lot of people on Reddit already have on a subreddit, and you solve that problem, say, some people, I made this thing that might solve your problem and maybe it's free for now, that could work, but you need to be very, narrow it down what you're building.
Time is limited.
Yeah.